Hi everyone, we will see the next in the series of image to diagnosis in fetal medicine. Now these are images of a fetus at 28 weeks, which was referred for second opinion as dilated bowel. Now the image on the left is axial scan of mid-abdomen and the image on the right is coronal scan of the abdomen, fetal abdomen, and you see what looks like a dilated loop of bowel, and in the coronal scan you see the bladder, stomach, and you see multiple interconnecting tubular cystic areas which has been diagnosed as dilated bowel by the previous operator. You will be surprised at the final diagnosis. So if you would like to go through the workup of this case, please log on to sonoshare.in, go to image to diagnosis, the fetal medicine section, and fetal bowel first, fetal bowel 1. Thank you.